Oh, it's a speed hump. Look out. Oof. Oof. Hey guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. Gonna do a little ride with Emma and Devin. We just recorded the quick unboxing and quick first impression of the brand new Truxus Lynx Plus that Emma is riding now. And now we're gonna go for a little longer of a ride as a family. Mrs. Adventure's not coming though, so she's part of our family. She's not gonna make it, but Devin, I'm guessing, is gonna be riding the mock wheel, right? Yep, he's got a big old smile saying, of course. I'll be riding this this EUY bike. Yeah, showed you that recently. This is a sharp looking bike. I'm enjoying it a lot, so let's see, turn on a helmet here so I can talk to somebody.
Hello.
Yeah. Whew. I'll be able to talk with Emma. Unfortunately, I won't be able to talk with Devin because his Cena helmet stopped working recently. Yeah, kind of a bummer. Oh, there's my garage door opener. Garage door closer. Okay, who's leading? Devin, you lead this time. Emma led last time. Emma, you can go next. And here we go. Oh no, I gotta move this microphone, guys. Something is not feeling right. Oh no, I may have to stop. What? Why is it not feeling right?
You alright?
Yeah, I think so. Just had to get this microphone adjusted a little bit differently. Alright guys, it is a beautiful evening here. It's about 89, 90 degrees this afternoon. It got pretty warm. Temperature has dropped down now again, so it's pretty pleasant out here. Low humidity. It's a perfect evening for a quick little ride. Devin's leading, so I don't know where we're going to go. Wherever Devin goes is where we end up. So we were just talking when we were doing the unboxing and initial ride on the Truxus Lynx Plus there. That rear motor is quite loud. And the original Lynx was pretty loud too, but I don't know, it's loud when you really got it ramped up and you're kind of really trying to pick up speed. That's when it's loud. When just cruising around, it's not so bad, doesn't seem. Wherever you go. There we go. Run, rabbit, run. What?
Is your microphone not smacking you in the face?
Yeah, it's irritating as heck. Looks clear.
I think I almost ran over a lizard.
Yuck. I can't hear you, Devin.
Said, how's the EUY?
I like it a lot, man. I'm selling the Moon Cool, and I'm going to use this until I find something that is my perfect little go-to bike. I think they're racing now. There they go.
It's so nice to have something go faster than 20 miles an hour.
Hey, did you have that up in 8th gear?
Huh?
Was that in 8th gear?
Yeah.
That's crazy that you still have to pedal that fast, because most 8 speeds, you don't have to pedal that fast to get at that speed.
Yeah.
That kind of stinks a little bit. I mean, we can always upgrade the gear. I mean, it's not too bad to do, so.
Yeah.
There she goes. Holy smokes. little bit. Oh, it's a speed hump. Look out. Oof. Ah, ooh.
Why did your legs recently?
I like the headphones are acting up. It's fine.
Where you at, Emma?
Yeah, a little bit.
Not used to that torque sensor? Remember, if you hold down the plus sign, you can switch it to cadence.
Yeah.
Bounce between the two until you get used to it.
Right, proceeding.
There's no sidewalk, so it's a little dangerous to go down this to the left.
Take a right.
Take it right. When it's safe. Take the lane, he said. Hop up there, you're leading.
Straight through the lane.
No, take a right up here. Next right.
This next little road right here.
Right here.
Daddy, can we take it home?
No.
What, your parents don't want an 11th cat?
Did I tell you about the cats?
Yeah,
Amanda did.
Oh.
She texted me.
So you don't know the rest of the story.
No.
So the lady down the street took the cats in.
Yeah.
She put them on her, hey Devin, you might want to hear this too. So she took the cats in and she put them on the front porch, which is screened in. She left the door open to see if Mama Cat would come in there because she would close the door. Now she claims Mama Cat is hers. Mama Cat is a stray that she feeds. Okay, so the Mama Cat,
There's a difference.
yeah, big difference. And Mama Cat isn't friendly to people and scared of people and that sort of thing. I'm sitting in the garage. A couple hours later, over a period of a couple hours, Mama Cat runs from our house to the neighbor's house, across the street to Ron's house, and keeps coming back again. And she even comes all the way up to the garage door and she's looking in because she's looking for her babies because her babies are gone. It was just sad. Well, about 2 hours later, I'm sitting there at the desk doing some stuff and I hear the lady yelling, "Come back, come back." And I look up and look and here's Mama Cat running from her house across the street with one of the babies in her mouth. And she bolted across to Ron's house and Ron's got all those bushes all over the place and it went into the bushes. They tried to find it, they couldn't. Today, they were out there looking in Ron's bushes again, and I asked them, you did not find it yet? And she says, no, but we have Mama Cat. We captured Mama Cat last night, so Mama Cat's in with all her other babies in the porch, but the other one that Mama was trying to save is the one that was abandoned, and they can't find it, they don't know where it's at. And they never found it today.
So maybe we should let Mama Cat go so she
I
can go find it because she knows where it's at.
I suggested that, and she's, no, because Mama Cat won't come back. Well, it's
So
because
you're gonna let a
because
cat
it's a
go.
stray. It's not your cat, it's a stray. So yeah, she probably won't come back, especially after how you just treated her and her babies. So they chalked it up as, well, we saved 5 of them, we lost 1. It's just the one that Mama was trying to save is the one that got lost. It's just sad. It upset me yesterday. Yep. These cats were probably 2 weeks old. I mean, they didn't have their eyes open yet, but they had all their fur. They were big enough, and they were crawling all over each other, but their eyes were still closed. So
Yeah, they're probably 2 weeks old now.
it's just sad. Today I went back out to the bushes just to look to see if maybe Mama Cat brought that one back, and she didn't. Yep.
Where are we going?
It's not my ride.
Heading back, I guess.
It's not my ride.
Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. Just trying to get through here.
Go ahead.
Hey, you want some free wood?
Yeah, I don't know.
Not gonna lie,
Uh-huh.
my butt really hurts. It's probably a combination of doing legs on Monday,
And that seat.
and sleep, and how hard I'm trying to pedal.
Switch it back to cadence. Hold the plus sign.
Yeah, I'm literally having to I got like a cramp in my right butt cheek right now.
Just use that throttle. Just enjoy the ride and throttle it.
Well, my issue right now is that where it's cramping is right where the seat is digging into right now.
Oh, stand up.
I need to.
Stand up on it a little bit. There you go. You got this. Alright guys, that's it for this video. We didn't do a lot of talking because we were just enjoying the ride. I hope you did too. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new. We'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly and ride safe.